Hello and welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that in China, regulators and major banks are rushing to curb precious metal trading. And this is crazy. People want to take their money out from banks. They want to invest in some safe havens, could be gold and other precious metals. And the banks don't let that to do them. So it's a big issue. I'm going to talk about that. The second news will be about Cardano, because Cardano finally launched its mainnet called Shelley. And now, actually, you can stake your ADA, use that cryptocurrency, and earn interest with it. And the third news will be that Japan Central Bank is now urging the digital yen, because they realize, China doing digital currency, they really have to catch up. It wasn't a priority for a long time, but now they really focused on it. So these will be the top 3 news today. And if you would like to stay up to date in cryptocurrency and blockchain, then you definitely should subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. You can subscribe down there. Next to it, click on the notification bell, and then you get the videos as soon as they on YouTube. I put them on every weekday, so from Monday to Friday. Every day you get the brand new video with the freshest crypto and blockchain news. And you can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And another thing which is important is that since yesterday, our course, it's now launched, which is a free course about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And when you just click on this red button, so you go on to our website, then you can click here, or you just click on the link below. I put it under this YouTube video. And then you simply go here and then fill in your first name, email address, which language you choose. This one is Hungarian, this one is English. And then after you get an email, then you can register to the course. And it's completely free, and it contains a lot of important information about what to do before you invest in crypto, because there are a lot of safety issues, a lot of steps you have to do, how to do it, and you have to understand a little bit fiat currency, money, Bitcoin, stable coins, and it's all in that course, and it's completely free. You can download it. Okay, and now it's time to check out the market. So Bitcoin at the present, it's now just under $11,000, which is $10,929. This is a minus 1.02% decrease in the last 24 hours. Also, there is a little tiny decrease in Ethereum price, 1.1022%. And let's check out the top winners. We have Trewala, 21%, we have Aave, 15%, and we have Thorchain, 6% in plus. And when we look at the biggest losers, we have Ampliford. We have it here yesterday, but here the price is now decreasing. That's what you can see here. But what it matters is its market cap, actually. But it's now going down. Now, actually, the price is below $1. We haven't seen that in the last couple of weeks. Now, actually, your tokens, what you got, because until it was above $1 and you had Ampliford, you got always tokens every day. Now, this is the first time that the tokens are taken away from you. So, it went up. It was, fourth or fifth price of its original, because the market cap was like 100,000 when I started to talk about it. It was over 600,000. Now, of course, it's decreasing, but that's crypto. It's totally normal. We have Divi minus 10%. We have Terra minus 10%. And the first news, it's about Chinese banks and regulators. Basically, we'd like to control precious metal trading. And for the reason, because people now start a little bit panicking, what is going to happen to their fiat currency. We can see the dollar's value decreasing day by day. And of course, it has an impact on the whole world. And now the gold price is going up. It starts to look like a very good investment, even for average people. So not just like, professional investors, but now when it's all in the news that gold is going up, so more and more people would like to invest. And of course, the banks now are panicking that people would like to take out their money, their cash, their fiat currency, to invest in metals, to, looking for safe haven, obviously, because this COVID situation is just not getting better. So the problem is still there, and they are afraid. And what happened now, and this is very interesting, that the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, which is actually, by the way, the country's biggest lender, it would bar its clients from opening new trading positions for platinum and palladium and index products linked to the precious metals from Friday. This is very important because they call it to need to control the risks, but basically they're just really afraid that the money goes away from the banks. And then another one, Agriculture Bank of China, said it had recently suspended new businesses related to gold, while Bank of China said it halted new accounts opening for platinum and palladium trading. So you can see that now that the precious metals looks like a safe haven for the average people, and they would like to really move on and maybe put their fiat currency in it. Now the banks started to control it. And, it's really sad to see this, because you have your money, it's your savings. You should be allowed to do whatever you want to do with it. And then the regulators, when too many people are doing it, they obviously afraid that the banking system can collapse, and then they have to do this regulation. So you not free, you cannot do it simply. And this is now happening in China, but it can happen anywhere. So you have to be aware of it. That's the situation as it looks like right now. Another thing, it's like, again, to China, they urge now to switch away from SWIFT, because what they're afraid of, that the US simply can cut off their access to SWIFT, which is, financial messaging service, and it's a primary network used by banks globally to make financial transactions. It's major, and they're afraid from that, so they're looking for plan B. So there are actually problems in China at the moment. The second news I wanted to talk about, it's a positive news actually, because Cardano, we have waited for that for a long time. Cardano is a very promising project right now. It's sixth on the cryptocurrency top list. It moved on a lot recently and went up. That's what I mean, because its market cap just grew and grew and grew because more and more people saw the opportunity. And finally it launched Shelley Mainnet, which is great because now what you can do, it was actually launched yesterday. You can see it on the 29th of July. And this upgrade introduced staking, which allows users to invest their ADA cryptocurrency and earn interest. So if you have now ADA, so you bought the cryptocurrency, Cardano's cryptocurrency, then you can now stake it. And with this staking, they're saying you can earn 4.63%, but this rate may change depending on the participation. And there's two types of staking. What you can do, there's the advanced users. So they can run their own staking pools, which require technical management and also reliable uptime. Or meanwhile, you can have the typical users. They can delegate their ADA tokens, so what you bought, to those pools and earn rewards with minor effort. So obviously that's the second one is the easy one. It's probably most, it will be used the most. So now it's actually a very good thing, because with this, that actually you stake your ADA, you take it out from the circulation. So you keeping it, you holding it, which actually can increase its price. Very interesting that how it goes with launches. If you see a launch which has happened yesterday, and when you look at the price, what happens here, in the last 24 hours. Actually, I should go for 24 hours. You can see it's now decreasing. So what people usually do, and this is it's in most cases like this. This kind of announcement, it was said already that this is going to come, the Shelley Mainnet. So usually people invested before and not when actually this launch happens. Therefore, we can see now that this great thing happened with Cardano. The price is even going down. But when you're looking at the last 180 days, look, here a clear upward trend has started, and until yesterday, and now it's like it going sideways. But after, if the project is promising, moving further, it's great. The price should go up. When you're looking at it's minus 88% from its all-time high. So it's a lot, you know. If I go here, the maximum, you can see it was back then in 2018 on the top of the bull market. It was up here and now it's down here, even with this increase. So if you believe in Cardano and this kind of project, it still has a good position. Of course, look at the market cap always. It's now 4 trillion and 4 billion. That's a big difference. So it's 4 billion. So obviously it's on the 6th place on the list of the top 100, and but it still has great potential. And of course, when the bull market is coming, everything should go up. Okay, so that's all about Cardano. And the third news is about the digital yen, because digital yen now became top priority for Japan's central bank. You know, we could see that China was the number one who pushed digital currency, and now Japan realized that, okay, if these guys doing it, then we really should push it. And in Japan, this wasn't a priority for a long time. But now they announced that to launch a digital yen becomes a top priority. And maybe we can see this kind of trend, digital currencies all around the world sooner or later. And this will also help, by the way, cryptocurrencies, because they are also assets in digital form. And if people would be more familiar with digital currency, what it is, how to use it, and just get used to it, they will be also more familiar with cryptocurrencies, which are also digital assets. So these two things can help each other. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, then click the like button. I highly appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you would like to get the freshest news in crypto and blockchain every weekday from Monday to Friday, because I bring you a brand new video, then you just subscribe. Next to it, click on the notification bell, because then you get the videos as soon as they're out. And you know, with these informations, you're always going to know what is happening in the world when it comes to crypto, to a little bit to the economy, which is related to crypto and blockchain. And you should also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And if you haven't downloaded the course, which I showed you at the beginning of this video, you know, from here, you just go on the link down there, but actually it's on our website, and you find this second little button, download free course, how to start investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Learn, educate yourself, because, you know, it's very important. Now, sooner or later, the next bull market is start to run, and then you don't want to rush in the last minute what's going on. You want to know what to do and how to do it, what are the important steps. You want to be prepared, and you can learn a lot from this course. It's totally free. You just have to sign up. Thanks a lot for watching today. Tomorrow, I'm coming back with another video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.